बस मैं अभी
ओके।
लाइव ही कर रहा हूँ, तो 1 मिनट में लाइव हो जाएगा और
हम्म
फिर रिकॉर्डिंग भी स्टार्ट अपना हो जाएगा।
हम्म। आवाज ठीक है?
आवाज़ आपकी सही आ रही है। वी कैन स्टार्ट वंदन, हो गया।
यस, दिनेश मोदी।
हरि ओम। जय श्री कृष्ण। नारायण नारायण।
Mic test, mic test.
यस।
वंदा में मेरी आवाज आ रही है, राइट? आर यू एबल टू
यस।
लिसन
या
माय
या
वॉइस?
या।
Hello.
यस।
Yes. Okay. Yeah, we can start because we have already put it up into this one. So we can start.
So I welcome all of the participants in this live Saturday session. Hope you all have taken breakfast. Is it? How much time happened after taking breakfast?
Light breakfast, Samniji.
Light breakfast, but how much time has
15,
already happened? Half an
15
hour before or 1 hour before or whatever?
no, Samniji, 15 minutes.
Okay, so just 15 minutes.
45 minutes.
45 minutes, okay.
15 minutes.
15 minutes. So it would be better for us to take first the keys because you have just taken the breakfast. We cannot go into long meditation in that state. So
Yes.
first you should take the quiz and then we will go into meditation. But if you have some queries, this is the review class. So we should start with review class catch up. Anything you want to know, because there were 5 lectures in this week and all have 10 questions in the quiz. So if something is not clear, or if you have some doubt, or if you need some clarity about content, you can ask first, and then we will go with the meditation and other things.
So Vandami, can you please provide a guidelines towards that what time they should be ready in the next practical sessions, at least then 45 minutes they do
Yeah,
this the
it is
breakfast
just
before?
at least 1 hour they should spend after taking the breakfast, because if they go into meditation, then digestion gets affected by that. So if somebody is okay, just if they have taken just a tea and not any snacks, then it's okay. Okay. But after taking breakfast, at least 1 hour you should spend. So the digestion process should complete its work, and then we can go into meditation. I think what participants would like. whether they want to meditate or whether they want to ask some questions.
Samniji, perhaps we can take the quiz and then we will know where the gaps are. And then we can
Yes.
have a discussion on what we didn't get right.
Okay. So, Suril, can we share the...
Vandami, those are self-evaluation things, right? So Rakesh bhai, those it will be available from 10 onwards today itself.
Okay.
And don't worry about those the marks one first things, but it's always been a practice. That's why you can pay attentions during our lectures and making your notes, because this one is an advanced classes. So it's always been better. You should have your notes during our lecture times as well, and that is we are expecting, right? But and another things, those the quiz is being set up in a such a way, so it will be just test your concept clarity and some information is being given it. Okay, Mandami, I have already set it up on auto
Okay.
setting. It will be available from 10 onwards automatically.
Okay. Okay, so let me start with some breathing exercise. That is somehow a kind of a movement. So it will not affect so much our digestion process. So we are starting some yoga exercise, that is breathing exercise especially. In breathing exercise, just we have to learn, first of all, the simple Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Okay. In this technique especially, we have to close the right nostril with the thumb and keep the left nostril open, and we have to breathe in and breathe out 5 times continuously through the left nostril. Then we have to close the left one and we have to breathe in and breathe out 5 times through the right one. Okay. So this would be one cycle. You have to complete at least 3 cycles. Got? Means 30 times. From each nostril, 15 times. Is it clear now? It is very simple. So you have to concentrate on the breathing process. Just you have to take full complete breathing in and complete breathing out. Clear? Just concentrate on this process of breathing in and out for five times through each of the nostrils alternatively, and you have to complete in this way 3 cycles. So this is simple Nadi Shodhan. It cleanses our nervous system, energy paths, balances the energy of vital energy inside the um, energy paths or meridians or channels, you can say, energy channels. So
Samniji,
now
slow,
concentrate.
slow breathing, long,
It is,
slow.
yeah, it is slow breathing. Complete breathe in, complete breathe out. Don't haste. Clear? Don't haste. We are going with very slow speed so that you can follow each and every step. Complete breathing in and out is more important for us than to expedite the things, to clean the passage, internal passages, and to take proper amount of oxygen inside and to release completely the carbon dioxide. So take full oxygen, take out full carbon dioxide and other toxic gases which are accumulated inside. Clear?
Yes,
So
Sam.
it is a movement, so it will not affect our digestion process. Now, start. Close your right nostril with the thumb. Keep the left open. Take 5 times. Breathe in and breathe out. And concentrate on the process of breathing in and out. As 5 times The breathing in and out completes. Shift your attention, what to say, nostril, and start with the right one. And in this way, complete all the 3 cycles. It would be better for all the participants to open their videos so that we can see whether you are doing properly or not. So the process is complete? All the 3 cycles?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. Is there any difficulty?
No.
Okay. So this is the simple Nadi Shodhan. Nadi Shodhan means the cleansing of the nerves. So this process helps to clean our energy paths or meridians or energy channels and nervous system. Now the same Nadi Shodhan is done with some speed. So you
Excuse me,
can,
Vandami, एक question था.
yes,
So use the both hand, the right nostril, the right hand, and left nostril, nose, or the one hand is okay.
one hand is okay. Just you have to close.
Okay.
With thumb, you can just close right.
Okay.
With other fingers, you can close the left one,
Oh,
or
okay.
you can use other hand as you
Oh,
like. Okay.
okay. Thank you, Vandami.
Yes. Now the second step of Nadi Shodhan is to expedite the process. Okay. So you have to take 10 to 15 times through left, breathe in and breathe out. Similarly, 10 to 15 times through right, but with some speed. So it is easy. It is not difficult. Just you have to take it with some speed. Got it? Okay. So similarly through. So you have to keep some tissue paper so that it should not create any kind of problem. So whatever comes out of the nostrils, so there should be tissue paper along with exercise.
So Shamli is 10 to 15 times each, similar process.
A similar process because we are cleansing our nervous system, no? So if we do this exercise with some force, then it cleanses the blockages. Okay, all the dust particles or toxins or any kind of blockages are there in the energy paths, so it helps to clean that. So do with some speed, though it can be done easily 50 times, 50, not 15. I am telling just about 50, but you have to increase up to 50 in one time. Clear? So you have to do this exercise 3 times, 15 times from the left nostril and 15 times through the right nostril. So this would be the one cycle. You have to complete 3 cycles in this way with some speed. Keep your tissue paper or any piece of cloth with you. Now start. Anybody has any question? You have to complete 3 cycles, 15, 15. completing 3 cycles, you have to take a rest of 4 to 3 minutes. Everybody has completed cycles? 3 cycles?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now relax. Today we will learn only 2 breathing exercise. Both are Nadi Shodhan. One is with slow speed and the other one is with speed. So this speed can be raised up to 50 at a time or 100 times even. So that will clean the internal passages.
Mandami,
Yes.
speed, if we do it with speed, our head feels lighter after 3 cycles. So it needs practice.
It is true. It is true. It needs practice, but today you can just start doing, whether it is doing you are doing it in a proper way or not. But first you have to learn that what you have to do. Is it? After practice, it will be proper and also normal for you. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Those people who, just one thing I want to say, those people who have problem of heat inside the body, they should use more and more left nostril. And those who have the problem of cold, they should use the right nostril more and more. But just right now we are learning the breathing exercise, but both the nostrils have different functions, different effect. So you have to be careful about when you are using this kind of techniques for longer period. So be careful that if you need that much heat or cold, then you can use one of the nostrils which is concerned with your problem. It is breathing exercise. We are using this technique for cleansing our energy paths, meridians. Clear?
Mandami, question tha.
Yes.
There is a particular time to do this kind of exercise or anytime you can do it?
See, the yoga, breathing exercise, and what say, physical exercise and hand postures all should be done with empty stomach or after taking 1.5 hour after taking the breakfast, 2.5 and 3 hours after taking meal. Okay. So
Okay.
you have to be careful because the empty stomach, these exercise work very well. If you are having already food inside and the process is going on, so it may give the result is instead of that, but just we have to take care of if we can want to get the proper results of all this exercise or also meditation.
Thank you, Mandami.
So
Yes.
somebody just
Now
to
we now
confirm,
okay.
it's
Yes.
not dangerous to do it,
Yeah,
but you
it
just
is
want to
not
pick a better
dangerous.
time.
Yeah, it is true. It is true. They have no side effect. They are not dangerous. You can do anytime. But yes, because we have taken food, it may come out of mouth if you are doing physical exercise. Okay. and the digestion process would also be curtailed or disturbed or disordered. Okay, so we have to be very careful of all these things, otherwise they have no side effect. They should work in proper way. That's why these precautions are necessary to take care of. Now we would start meditation. Sit in a comfortable posture. Through Zoom, when I create Om sound, sometimes it is not properly reaching to all of you, but now I'm using the microphone, so maybe it will reach out. So we will start our meditation with 5 Om sounds so that we can disconnect from the external sounds and can connect with the internal sound. And eventually we should enter into the thoughtless arena. But yes, that state will also come after some practice. Today we will follow 4 steps of meditation. The first step would be relaxation. So first we would relax our whole body, mind and vocal cord. For that we will take almost 10 to 15 minutes. After we will focus on our internal trip. Internal trip starts with the bottom of your backbone or spinal cord. And through spinal cord, you have to raise your mind or concentration up to the head, top of the head, which is known as crown chakra or center of knowledge. And you have to go back to the bottom part. Then again, you have to come to the top of the head. Again, you have to go back to the bottom. And then you have to come up to the crown chakra. So in this way, you have to do this internal journey through spinal cord. And this is the main place of our inner authentic self. Clear? So somebody can get inner light when they concentrate in this particular backbone or spinal cord. They get light like a tube light is on inside. So that kind of light can also come into experience of someone, okay? But your mind should be completely focused inside the spinal cord. So this is the next step, which is known Antaryatra or internal trip or inner journey, inner voyage. And next is perception of breathing. We have to concentrate our mind on the tip of the nose and see each and every breathing in and out, coming in and going out. So that would be the third step. And the fourth step, in fourth step, we have to concentrate on the pineal gland, center of light, which is in the center of our forehead. And just you have to visualize full bright white moon spreading its light throughout your forehead, brain, body, and in your surrounding. So these will be the 4 main steps of meditation of today. So please sit in comfortable posture. Keep both the hands in the position of knowledge posture, on the knees, facing upward sky. Close your eyes softly. Now take a long and deep breath and recite Om sound as much as possible for you. You can make it long as much as possible. Om. Om. Mm. Om. Om. Mm. Om. Mm. Relax. Relax your mind, body, and vocal cord. Use auto suggestion to be relaxed. Give suggestion to your body from toe to head to be completely relaxed. Make a resolution before entering into meditation. I am practicing Praksham meditation for the purification of my psyche. I am practicing Praksham meditation for the purification of my psyche. I am practicing Praksha meditation for the purification of my psyche. With this resolution, we are starting our meditation. The goal of meditation, the process of the meditation is Sampikkhai Appagamappa Enam. This means see yourself through yourself. Meditation is the process to see yourself through yourself. The first step of meditation is Kayotsarga, relaxation with self-awareness. Relax your entire body. Concentrate your mind on the big toe of your right leg. See the toe from within. Whatever sensation, function are happening, try to visualize, see them, what is happening. Now give suggestion to be relaxed. 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 Now concentrate on each of the fingers of the right leg. See each of them from within. See all the functions, sensations, respiration. If any pain, give suggestion to be relaxed. relaxed, relaxed. Now concentrate on the soul part. Spread your mind throughout the soul. See each and every cells, tissues, bones, muscles, nerves, arteries, whatever is. See their functions. Give auto suggestion to be relaxed. Relaxed. Relax. Now see the ankle, calf muscles, knee, thigh, up to the hip joints. See the entire leg, each of the parts, their functions. Give suggestion to be relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Now feel complete relaxation, stability, lightness in the right leg. Now concentrate on the big toe of your left leg. See from within all the cellular functions, tissue functions, muscular functions, bone functions, neural functions. Give suggestion to be relaxed, relaxed, relax. Whatever suggestion you give to your body, it follows. Now concentrate on each of the fingers of the left leg. See each of them from within. Experience all the functions, movements. Give suggestion to be relaxed, relaxed, relax. Feel complete relaxation in the toe and the fingers. Now concentrate on the soul part. Spread the light of your mind throughout the soul. See the entire part, all the functions, all the movements. Give suggestion to be relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Now concentrate on the ankle, calf muscles, knee, thigh, up to the hip joints. See the entire left leg. See all the functions from within. Give suggestion to be relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Be complete aware of the relaxation process. Be in the present, mindful, concentrated. Now concentrate your mind on the wrist part. See the entire left leg has completely relaxed. It has become stable and very light. Now concentrate on the waist part. See the entire part. Front, back, left, right. See the entire part. Whatever is happening inside, try to visualize. Give suggestion to be relaxed. Relax. Relax. Auto suggestion has great effect. Your suggestion works a lot. Now concentrate on the middle part of your body, starting from the large intestine up to the collarbones. See all the internal organs, large intestine, small intestine, pancreas, liver, stomach, kidneys, gonads, adrenals, food canal, ribs, lungs, heart, up to the collarbones. See each and every internal organs of the front. See their functions. Heart is beating. Lungs are respirating. Veins are working. The stomach is working. All have their own functions. Each and every cell is active. See where is some, if there is some pain, you can also see. Now give suggestion to be relaxed and normal. All the bodily functions are becoming normal, proper, and they are relaxed. No tension, no pressure, no stress. Now concentrate on the back side from bottom to top. See the spinal cord, backbone, the entire muscle of the back side. See each and every cell, each and every nerves coming out of the spinal cord. See the functions. Give suggestion to be relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. See gradually the entire middle portion of your body is getting relaxed. All body functions are becoming normal and proper. Now concentrate on the thumb of the right hand. See the thumb, all the fingers, palm, wrist, up to the elbow and up to the shoulder. See the entire hand. Give suggestion to be relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Feel complete relaxation. Now shift your attention to the thumb of the left hand. All the fingers, palm, wrist, up to the elbow and shoulder. See the entire left hand. Giving suggestion to be relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Now feel complete relaxation up to the collarbone. Your body is becoming lighter and lighter. Now concentrate inside the throat. See the entire throat. See the vocal cord, thyroid, parathyroid. Their functions. Now give auto suggestion to be relaxed. Relax, Relax. Relax. Now concentrate on all the facial organs, starting from the chin up to the forehead. Chin, lips, teeth, tongue, palate, cheeks, nose, ears, eyes, and forehead. See all the organs. Relax each and every organ. Give auto suggestion to be relaxed. Relax. Relax. Now concentrate on the head of the left hemisphere, right hemisphere, brain stem, each of the neurons, their neural functions. See the entire brain. Give suggestion to be relaxed. Relaxed. Relax. Now feel your body has completely relaxed. It is in motionless state. It has become lighter, like the paper of piece of paper. Now we can enter into some deeper meditation. Concentrate your mind on the bottom of the spinal cord to practice internal trip, internal journey, internal voyage to know who are you. Concentrate your mind on the spinal cord, on the bottom, and experience the vibrations taking part in that part. Raise your mind through spinal cord upward, up to the top of your head to take the internal trip. Raise your mind up to the head through a spinal cord. There is a nerve hanging, and the backbone is known as spinal cord, Sushumna Nadi. Enter your mind into that and take it up to the head of top of the head, the center of knowledge or chakra, crown chakra. Bring your mind back to the bottom through the spinal cord. Take it back to the top of the head. Do this kind of journey 10 times. From bottom to top, from top to bottom. Concentrate your mind completely inside the spinal cord to take the journey from bottom to top and top to bottom. Take 10 rounds. This is the internal trip, inner journey, traveling within yourself. The soul is concentrated in this particular part of your body. It is in a half meter only inside the body. Complete 10 rounds. Now finish the second step. Now we are shifting to the third step. That is perception of breathing. Concentrate your mind on the tip of your nose. Like a watchman, see each and every breath coming in, going out. Just you have to observe your breathing. Whatever is breathing going on, the normal breathing process, you have to start observing. Be mindful of your breathing. Breathing is a life force. It is being regulated by your own inner self. It is yourself who is breathing through body. Concentrate on this breathing, which is very, very important to reach out your own soul. Taking the support of the rope, we can ascend a big mountain. We can reach to the height. Make the breathing your rope to ascend higher states, higher planes of your own existence. Just observe your breathing coming in and going out. Very simple technique, but very effective. See the entire process of breathing. How breath enters through the nostrils, passing through the trachea, reaching out the alveoles, mixing with the blood, purifying it, reaching to each and every cell, energizing and empowering the entire biological system. Connect to your mind with your breathing. Breathing in, the mind also goes in. Breathing out, the mind is also coming out. Connect to your mind with your breathing process. See the breath coming in, going out. Be completely aware of your breathing. As you become mindful of your breathing, it becomes normal, automatically longer, proper. The entire respiratory system becomes alert and functions in a proper way. Pure perception, pure observation makes a difference in your body system. Now we are shifting to the fourth step of our meditation. That is perception of center of light. Concentrate your mind in the center of your forehead, the place of pineal gland, above the eyebrows, and the center of your forehead. Visualize a full, bright, white moon having full light, very cool, very bright, very soothing. Imagine the full moon. See the light of the moon spreading throughout your forehead, your brain, entering with your breathing, spreading throughout your body, in and out. Everywhere there is cool, white, bright light. Your entire body is filled with bright, white, cool light. This is a very important step to channelize the energy of your meditation in a proper direction. Whenever we should meditate, we should concentrate on this center in the end, so that the energy which awakens during meditation can work in a proper direction. Seek calm and coolness in you. All the aggressive emotions are getting pacified, eliminated. The entire existence is filled with joy, peace, calmness, and coolness. Now, with 2 long breaths, we will conclude our meditation session. Take a long breath. You come out of the deep meditation. And feel activeness in your entire body. With 2 Om sounds, we will conclude our meditation. Om. Om. Now time is up. So how was the meditation now?
Very good, Vandami.
The problems you were feeling before, now they are
Yeah, everything is now much lighter, much better.
much better. Yes. So
Excellent,
everything.
Vandana.
Hmm?
Excellent.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Same here, Samniji.
Hmm?
Same here, excellent. Very nice.
Okay. Yes. So now there is no problem of that the body is not getting relaxed. It is getting relaxed now.
That
Is
is-
it?
Yes.
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 Yes. So it means everything takes some time and practice also. Clear?
Shamini ji, I have few questions.
Yes.
For Antar Yatra, we always start from the bottom of the spinal cord up to top. We never go from top to bottom, right?
Yes, because the energy is flowing in lower part. So we want to give it lift up to onto upper part. So we have to bring our mind from bottom to top and not from top to bottom. Top to bottom, we are coming again to give the lift of the to the energy. Okay. Yes.
And
Samniji, how is, sorry. Go
So
ahead.
it is upward motion. It is the practice for upward motion of the lower energy.
okay.
Okay. Yes.
One more question for Kayut sir. Like we always start from the right big toe because it has more energy coming out of it.
The
But
right
like
part. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, you can complete your question.
but like if we go up, for example, we are channelizing our mind to the hip and then we figure out like our knee has some loose muscle and we'll concentrate on the knee. So if we go from up to down during the kayutsa, is it okay?
To down. See, you can do that. It is not the problem. Just we start from our toe because and also the right part because the right part is more active than the left one.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Okay, and we should start from bottom to top and rather than top to bottom. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But in between, if we're at the top and our mind goes back to bottom for a second or 2 seconds.
It is not problem. Just we have to relax the entire body.
Got it. Okay.
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 Our
Yeah.
purpose is to relax the body. Mind can go up, down and or up. So it is not big thing for us. But body should be completely relaxed.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay. So now it is the quiz time. Anybody has any other question? Any review, any comments, any suggestions?
One question, Samniji, about the concentration of the spinal cord.
Hmm.
What should be the sequence of breathing? Because that came in the way when I was trying to focus going from the bottom of the spinal cord to the head. The
So
breathing
we say,
process. Yeah.
okay, so when we connect our breathing process, when we are taking internal journey, then we suggest that when you breathe in, then you should go to bottom part. Okay, and when you are breathing out, then you should go towards the top. Okay, so energy flows should go up. So your concentration must be on energy flow at that time. If you are focusing on breathing, it is difficult for you to concentrate on two things at a time.
Right.
Okay. So yeah, so when you are breathing in, you should concentrate on the bottom part. When you're breathing out, you should concentrate on the upper, on the flow of the energy going upward to the head, to the top of the head. And the energy should store in this part. The energy is flowing in lower part. It should be lifted up and
And they rapidly come
should
down.
concentrate on the top.
So we should gradually raise it up and then rapidly come down to the
Correct.
bottom and then go up slowly.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now you have time for taking the quiz for 10 minutes. I don't think you will take more time, but if you find that you will take more time, then just you can see 10 questions. If you have everything is clear, you can take you can complete your quiz after that also, after the session. or later on, whenever you want to complete it. Okay. Until you submit, it will be open for you. So
So
we have given 10 questions out of each lecture of 5 days. Yes. Anybody
and
wants to ask?
Vandami, I'm stopping this recording now for the security reasons. So if any
Yes.
person wants to discuss any questions, we can. Okay, just give me a minute until I stop it.
I have a question.